Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and clear cache on MacBook with macOS Tahoe. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open your MacBook, and this is what you'll have in front of you. This screen where you have of course all your applications, but now let's see how you can actually go and clear cache on MacBook with macOS Tahoe. So to clear cache on a MacBook running macOS Tahoe, you can remove temporary system and app cache files to free up storage and resolve performance issues. You need to go and open Safari. So basically you can go and click on F4 to search for Safari and find it, and then go to the settings of Safari. So when you open it, go to the top left corner, click on Safari, and then click on settings. Now go to the advanced tab. Here we have it general and all these tabs, but you need to go and click on the advanced tab and enable show features for web developers. So you need to go and click on that. Show features for web developers is in the bottom, as you can see here, part of the screen. Then click on developer. It is the second now that it's popping up, and here you can go and click on empty caches, and that's how you can actually go and do. So basically, first of all, these two will not be here, so developer and feature flags, they will not be there because show feature is off. Click on there for them to of course pop out. Now when they pop out, you can go to developer and do it there. So that's how you can do it on Safari. It is that easy. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.